Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box accessories in Galaxy Tab A8. Here's the box and let's open it to see what's inside. The first thing we see is the tablet. We can take it out. And underneath there are two boxes. On the left one there is some documentation like quick start guide or warranty cards, and a SIM card tray opener. And in the other box there is a charging cable that's USB-A to USB-C and a charging brick. And these are all of the accessories included in the Samsung Galaxy A8 box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.